Here you have the Lionel Meadow River Lumber Company Heisler Locomotive and Tender. They made this unit about 2003, and it was not a Chinese model. They actually made it in Korea, and made after the old lumber, especially lumber locomotives they had out west. And those little drives all turn. The engineer is on, you can see him, he's on the other side. There he is. And you have all the sounds, the TMCC or rail sounds. I have it on the rail sound setting. And lights in the front and back. It has a smoker on it. And it's interesting where the smoker switch is. It's right there in the front. And but you can see this thing run. These were not fast engines. They were meant to pull loads like a bunch of logs or whatever. And Lionel made them pretty well true to scale. But here we go. All the sounds, and as it slowly starts, you can hear it pick up. But it doesn't get a high top speed. Nice horn. And they'll pull quite a bit. I've not used this one to pull a lot, but you can. And they have a lot of power. It's a pretty engine. When it comes by, I'll let you see the undersides working. All those little gears going around. See them? Pretty neat. Okay, let's put it in reverse. Okay. That is the Lionel. They just call it the Heisler a lot of times, locomotive and tender.